Even though Google Analytics' own metrics are versatile, there might be a situation where you'd like to measure issues that you cannot directly see in Google Analytics. In these kinds of situations, you must install Google Tag Manager to the webshop instead of the ready-made Google Analytics integration, which can be installed automatically. To install Google Tag Manager, you must change the source code of your webshop. First, you must create a Google Analytics account if you do not already have one. Create a property. By creating this section, you will have a data bank for the data collected from your webshop. Next, you must create at least one view for your data bank because data will be visible there. Log into your Google Tag Manager pages with your Google account details. Create an account to Tag Manager by pressing Create Account. In the view that opens, give your account a rational name and the home country of your webshop. In the Container Setup section, you must install a more specific, individualized name if you would like to add multiple shops to your account. The target platform is in this case web. Next, you will get access to the working view of your account by clicking on your shop in the listing of the Google Tag Manager front page. Now, you must add a little bit of code to your webshop in order for Google Tag Manager to function properly. When you log into the working view of your Google Tag Manager account for the first time, you will see instructions and a piece of code pop up on your screen. If you're not able to access the source code of your webshop, you must now contact the administration of your webshop. Open your webshop source code. Add the codes to the head and body sections. The code which is added after the body section is necessary only if you'd like to use Google Search Console later on. When Tag Manager is installed correctly, you must connect Google Tag Manager to the Google Analytics of your webshop. To be able to do this, you must create a variable which includes a tracking ID from Google Analytics. You can create the variable in the Variable section in Google Tag Manager. Go to User-Defined Variables. Create the variable by pressing New. Name the variable in the window that opens. The type of the variable is Google Analytics Settings. Go to your Google Analytics account. Go to Property and copy the tracking ID provided by Google Analytics under Tracking Info. Save the variable by pressing Save. Next, Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics are connected in Tag Manager. Go to Tags. With tags, Google Tag Manager collects information on the behavior of the visitors in your webshop. Tags are events that send information to Google Analytics as a triggered reaction to the behavior of the visitors on a website. In the Triggering section, you may install different timers and triggers that trigger tags. For example, A trigger would be opening a certain page or watching a video in your web shop. Create a new tag by pressing New. Give the tag a rational name. The type is Google Universal Analytics. The tracking type of the tag is Page View. In the Google Analytics settings drop-down menu, you must choose the variable created before. Put all pages into the triggering box. With these configurations, Google Analytics will receive information when someone visits any of the web pages in your web shop. Press Save. After this, you may create the tags that will give you data on the issues that are important for you. When you've installed the tags you need, Google Analytics will show data within 24 hours. If you want us to install Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager for you, you may find information in the description box below.